Hello students, today I will show you how to create a table in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. First of all, you click on the start button and from the startup menu go and click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. So this is the PowerPoint window. Today I will show you 5 different ways you can use to create a table in PowerPoint. So let me start. You need to click on the Insert tab. So click on Insert tab, go to the table option, click on the drop down arrow of the table option. So number one way is using a grid. We call this as a grid. So you need to specify the number of columns and number of rows through the grid. So say as I move my mouse pointer, you will see there will be the formation of table on the slide. So let me mention the number of rows and columns. Say I want 7 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally click the mouse button. See your table is ready. So you can increase the table by clicking the fill handle at the side. Now let me show you one thing. As you enter the table, you will see the addition of 2 more tabs in the PowerPoint. One is Design tab and another is Layout tab. So let me deselect the table first. You see the last tab we can see is the View tab. Now once I click inside the table, you will see the 2 additional tabs. One is Design and Layout. Layout tab is used to edit the table and Design tab is used to format the table. Okay, this is number one way. Let me insert a new slide. Go to Home, New Slide, go to the Insert tab, click on drop down arrow in the table option. Now another way is using a Insert Table option. So click on Insert Table option. Here you will see a Insert Table dialog box. Now again you need to specify the number of columns you need and the number of rows you need. So you need to mention the column. Suppose how many columns you need. Say 8 columns. How many rows? 5 rows. Click on OK. Again your table is ready. Let me show you another way. Insert a new slide. Go to Insert tab. From the table drop down arrow, you can also draw the table. Generally we don't use this format, but still this is also one of the way to create a table in PowerPoint. So click on Draw Table, press the mouse button and just drag the mouse. Now you can go at the right hand side in the ribbon. You will see one is Draw Table, another is Eraser. So you can use a Draw Table option to draw the table. Let me see. So you can use this way and you can draw the table. If you want to erase the table, here the eraser, so you can click on the table and you can erase the table in this way. Now let me show you one more way to create a table. Go to Insert tab, Table, Excel spreadsheet. Means you can directly bring the Excel spreadsheet in the PowerPoint window. So click on Excel spreadsheet. So this is the Excel worksheet. So you can directly bring the Excel worksheet here and you can work on the cells inside. And finally I want to show you one last way to draw the table. Insert a new slide. Now there are 9 different layouts. So from this layout you can choose any one of the layout. Let me choose title and content layout. This particular layout. So in this layout you will see 6 icons there. So if you want to directly insert table, you can also use this layout. One is insert table. If you want to insert the chart, this is to insert the smart art. This is for pictures, clip art, and if you want to insert the movie clip, you can directly click on it. Right now I am inserting a table, so let me click on this insert table option. Click here. So you will get the insert table dialog box. You need to mention the number of column and number of rows. Click on OK. So right now I have showed you 5 different ways to create a table. What are they? Number 1 way is using a grid. Another is using insert table, draw table, inserting a Excel spreadsheet, and finally using a slide and layout option. Now you can insert the data according to your wish. So if you want to insert the data, either you can press the tab key to move within the cell, or you can directly click the mouse button wherever you want to insert the data, or you can also use a arrow key, or what we call as a cursor key. Now I want to format the table, so let me select the table and go to the design tab. Click on design tab. So these are some of the formatting options you can use to design the table. So there are some of the designs. You can use the design according to your choice to format the table. Now suppose say you want to use your own shading. So instead of using from the table style group, you can go to the shading options and you can give your own shading, whichever color you want. If you want to insert the picture, you can click on the picture and insert the picture. If you want to insert the gradient, go into the gradient option and see, you can use the gradient as a background. You can also use the texture as a background. So whichever texture you want, you can use it as a background. So this is how to format the table. Now suppose you want to format the individual cell. So in this case, what you need to do is you have to click inside the cell, then click on shading. You can use your own color, whichever color you want. You can use your color. If you want, go to shading. You can use the picture also. Click on picture option. Let me see the pictures. Suppose say the picture of penguin. Click on the penguin. Click on insert option. You can use the picture also. Now let me click on another cell. You can use the gradient. Let me click on another cell somewhere else. Let me click here. Texture. You can use texture. So in this way you can also format individual cell within the table. So these are some of the formatting features. So in this class I have showed you 5 different ways to create a table and how to format the table using a table style options or by shading, and how to format the individual cell. Then you can enter the data according to your wish. I hope you have understood it. So I want all of you to practice this at home. Thank you, children.